Je sais où passer ma nuit. Ok, Zidrex. Bon. Donc on est parti pour l'épisode d'après. Putain, elle est trop classe l'image parmi les décombres. Comment ça l'épisode 4? Allez. Je vais manger à toutes les gens. J'ai des Kaléloni qui m'attendent. Bah, bon appétit à toi, Tib.
I can't even take care of myself. How am I supposed to raise a child?
I wasn't truthful when I came across y'all at the lodge. Now folks are dead, and I can't help but feel I'm to blame.
Fucker.
No! No! Stop it! Kenny! Kenny!
When you cover yourself in their smell, rub the walker guts all over you. They can't tell you from one of them.
C'est bien dégueulasse,
You just
ça.
have to keep calm and make sure you're good and covered.
Meilleur ami, tu peux dire Minecraft.
Go on.
Salut
You
Tito,
don't need
comment
to
tu
see
vas?
this.
Let's go.
Oh, je veux cette image en fond d'écran. C'est vrai qu'elle est classe, hein. Bah, je t'appelle Zid. Oh, Alexandre, je vais oublier, je suis désolée. Salut Dark Teaser. Et non, pas de perruque cette fois. Et ça va, merci.
I could save him.
Arcane, normalement, ça lui marque si jamais il a été ou pas. Putain, y a pas le sang. Ah si, j'allais dire, y a pas le sang qui gicle cette fois. Bah alors, qu'est-ce qui s'est passé pour Sarita là? Parce qu'elle s'est mise à crier comme un danon. Salut Max, comment tu vas?
There's too many. Come on, babe. She's dead, man.
Leave us alone! She's not dead!
Penny, we have to go.
Get
Come
the
on.
fuck away from us! This is your goddamn fault! It isn't gonna go like this!
Kenny!
I won't be left alone again!
We're gonna leave. We're gonna get out of this.
Kenny! Don't care what you fuckers are saying, you're gonna be fine!
She's going to turn. You can't save
No.
her. Please, Kenny.
No.
Please, don't let her kill you.
She's gonna turn, man. You gotta let go.
No! No! What the fuck did you do?
What the hell is going on?
Fuck. Why? Why?
She won't suffer now. We have to go.
Stupid fucking kid!
Kenny! Damn it, man! Come
It's
on!
on your head, Clementine!
Désolée, j'ai eu un bug de touche. T'es horrible. Ben ouais, je viens de mourir en plus. Désolée. Je suis morte comme une merde. Voilà, Kenny, c'est un enfant un peu.
I'm going after Sarah!
Kenny?
Merci pour le follow Darkness. Bienvenue à toi sur la chaîne. Merci Elmer pour ton follow. Salut Emily. Non, faut pas qu'elle parle. Hein.
Anybody.
I know. What do we do? Luke was with me, but I can't do this alone.
We can't stay here, Rebecca. We need to keep moving.
Look, the walkers are still moving toward the hardware store. We can make it out if we stick together. I'm glad you're here. We can watch each other's back.
I'll stick with you.
Thank you. We need a clear path to the trees. Maybe they're thinning out somewhere. Do you see any openings? Anything?
Non, choc à pic, j'ai dit que ça commençait à...
We've gotta hurry.
Pourquoi je peux pas bouger? Je pouvais pas bouger? On m'explique là? Il a bugué le jeu ou quoi? C'est sérieux? Les gens, j'ai mon jeu il bug, je peux pas bouger. Mais encore t'abuses. Mais là, c'est pas ma faute, mec, les touches elles marchaient pas.
Stop. Relax. You need to walk slowly. You'll be fine.
I can't do this. You have to help us.
We can't come together like this. It's better if we spread out. You two will be fine.
No, you don't understand. Just help us.
I'll stay close and watch out for Rebecca.
Your choice. Push through that cluster of walkers.
There's too many.
We'll make a cow catcher. Just we need.
Okay, just tell me what to do.
There. That one looks light enough to carry. I'm gonna get on the far side of her. I need you to get her attention. Stay close. If you fall behind, I can't come back for you.
Putain, j'ai dû mettre plus longtemps. Parce que j'ai mon QWERTY qui s'est arrêté. Ils sont beaux gosses les gens un peu quand même. J'ai rien changé, j'ai dit que je commençais à 18 h les gens parce que j'avais 2 épisodes à faire. Salut Wazax Gaming, comment tu vas?
Is everything alright?
No, I'm not alright. But I'll be a lot better once we get with the others. I need to make sure everyone else made it out. Luke, Sarah, Kenny. God damn it. What if they aren't there?
If they aren't, nothing we can do about it.
Don't even say things like that.
Fine. Sorry.
Jesus. I don't even know if we're safe. What if the herd is still following us?
We're fine.
It's been quiet, but who knows? We gotta keep going.
Let's just keep up a good pace.
I know. Just, I'm going as fast as I can.
Merci pour ton follow, le petit singe.
I know I should feel
Vite, juste un souci de truc. Voilà.
glad that we escaped, but I just can't stop thinking about the others. How could I leave Alvin behind? It was stupid.
What was? Escaping?
Look, I know we all agreed to use the herd to get out, but maybe we should have been more patient. Come up with something better.
It worked.
If you can call that working, we could have... I don't know.
Jane saved us. I don't know how we would have gotten out without you.
You don't give yourself enough credit. I'm just saying that if people hadn't panicked, things might have turned out better.
Of course. We panicked. We were scared.
The plan was good. The execution was the messy part.
That sounds an awful lot like you're saying it was their fault.
What? No, that's not what I'm saying. Just...
I have to stop. I'm sorry. I don't want to slow us down. Can I just have a minute?
Yeah. Take a minute.
Thank you. Alvin was supposed to be here for this.
Is Alvin...
He's dead is what he is. Thanks to that fucking madman back there.
Kenny might know what to do. He had a family.
Let's hope he made it to the meetup point then. What are you going to do with it?
What do you mean by that?
Sorry. Just making conversation. There was nothing.
No. What do you mean by that? Do with what? My baby?
I'm just looking at the worst case scenario. You and Clem won't be able to raise a baby by yourselves. Not out here. I just mean, it's going to need food.
We'll look after it, together.
Even if that's the case, you can't always protect everyone.
And you assume I won't be capable enough. Just because you're some angry loner who doesn't care about anyone but herself doesn't mean you know better than me.
Hey, I've seen it before. Back when it started. Me and my sister, we were...
She died? I don't need your pity.
Elle est horrible.
You don't have the right.
Jane!
Shit, I didn't mean it.
She didn't mean it. Right?
Damn it.
Je te connaisse. Ça se fait pas de parler comme ça.
We can't just sit here doing nothing.
I know. They'll be here soon.
Holy shit.
It had been so long. We were starting to worry no one else would make it.
Well, besides.
Where's everyone else?
We were hoping you would know.
This memorial works fine as a meeting spot. No way we can stay here long term.
I told you. That's why we're waiting. And as soon as everyone else gets here, we'll figure something out.
You wanted to leave without us?
What? No. I wanted to go out and try to find everyone.
What does Kenny want to do?
I tried to talk to Kenny. He flipped out on me. He started yelling. Scary shit.
I know, he probably didn't mean it. But it was scary.
I've been nervous to even go near him.
What? You think he's gonna shoot you?
The way he is right now? I don't know. Maybe. He's not acting rationally.
I should go talk to him. this is my fault.
Hey, you did what you thought was right. That's all anyone can do in that situation.
Vas-y, je vais essayer de rester avec Jane maintenant, parce qu'elle a l'air sympa, elle a l'air posée. Là, c'est mitigé, là.
Hi, Kenny.
You think I don't know what y'all are whispering about over there? What's wrong with Kenny? Why's Kenny acting that way? Do you think Kenny's okay? It's all I hear from anyone anymore.
Kenny, I'm so sorry about Sarita.
Sorry, huh? Well, that's nice of you, seeing as this was your fault in the first place.
There was nothing I could do.
Seeing how things turned out, I think I might have preferred you do nothing.
I did what I thought was right. It was all I could do.
All you could do? Because of you, Sarita is dead. And you're telling me you did all you could do? You think because you're a little girl, you can just get people killed and no one will care? That because you're sorry, it'll all magically go away?
Putain,
That's not
l'enfant.
how it works! Now for the last time, just get the fuck out of here and leave me alone.
I'm going crazy just sitting here not doing anything.
Just give it time, Mike. It's still early.
Clem, how'd it go?
It doesn't matter. We need to come up with a plan.
Clem's right. Especially with that baby on the way.
At least you tried.
Still, doesn't exactly help us figure out what we're gonna do now. We got no food, no water. It's getting damn cold.
Ouais, bah,
And we're losing
ouais.
daylight fast.
When the others get back, they'll know what to do. Luke will have a plan.
We thought Kenny would have a plan.
Mike, Bonnie.
Mike's got a point. You can't just keep sitting around waiting. Things are difficult enough right now, and soon you'll have a baby on your hands too.
What, suddenly you're pretending to be concerned?
We should go find Luke, Sarah, and Nick. If they're in trouble, we might be able to help them.
Clementine's right. After everything, after all this, if there's any chance they're still alive, we need to take it.
I'll go. Clem can come with me.
C'est bizarre de voir avec tes riches. Bah, ça change, c'est sûr. Mais bon.
Thank you.
Listen, Rebecca, if anything goes wrong here, you got something to protect yourself?
I've got this. You don't think I'd need to...
I don't know, but you better keep that close. Come on, Clem.
Come on, Clem. Yes, I coming. Merci. Hey, toi, là-bas. Pourtant, follow, il y a une natation stream.
Look, I'm gonna level with you. You should know that finding your friends, that's a shot in the dark.
I don't know about that. We shouldn't give up before we've even looked.
Okay, but I wanted to talk to you, away from them. You wouldn't have made it this far if you weren't smart, but I just gotta warn you. That group is cracking. I've seen it before, and, well, a lot of times, it's better to be on your own. I know you see what I'm talking about. You don't want to be here when they start turning on each other.
You know, bad stuff happens to you when you're alone, too.
But your odds are better.
There's nobody to watch your back. And when something does happen, there's nobody there to help you.
How much help is Kenny gonna be? What he's going through? He's more of a liability than anything. And Rebecca's situation is not making things better back there. You get enough broken people together, and all you're gonna get are broken decisions.
Have you just kept to yourself this whole time?
Of course not. But sometimes you gotta learn the hard way. I'm trying to save you that trouble. For what it's worth, I like most of the people in your crew. But groups fall apart. People get killed.
Then why did you bring me with you?
I'm just trying to give you the tools
Je
you need
pète
to
la
make it.
forme. Toujours, je pète la forme. Salut
Like
Atomix.
your jacket. It looks warm.
Désolée, je
but
parle pas parce que j'essaie
a
quand même
walker will
d'écouter.
bite right through that. My sister Jamie had a good leather one. Wish I still had it. You could've.
I always wanted a sister. I used to make my babysitter Sandra play a game that we were secret sisters. It was stupid kid stuff.
You know, being a big sister is, well, it's funny. It's really easy to be mean.
Oh?
You know, hide her toys, make fun of her bad haircut, give her the bad haircut on purpose. I mean, I did put the gum there. I figured I should get it out.
Is that really what it's like having a sister?
No, it's not all bad, but
C'est la drogue ça. Mais
What
c'est
can
pas
I do?
gentil, je suis pas
I was her
dopée.
best friend.
Et Cricri c'est The Walking
I'm
Dead.
punished. Every summer we'd
Ah,
go to this
coucou Liman.
amusement park in Virginia. But the best part wasn't the rides. It was that nobody knew us there, and I'd pretend we weren't sisters. Just friends.
Hmm.
All right, jackpot. Bet these walkers got some good stuff. That one's not coming back. See what else he's got.
Yeah, we should check him out.
But you know why, right? Only because they're fresh. Take a look. Old walkers are a waste of time. They're holding credit cards and busted old pagers. But these ones weren't walkers all that long ago. They were survivors. They might have useful stuff.
Un conseil de survie.
See what else he's got. I'll check this one.
Allez, on va aller fouiller les popoches. La fesse gauche. Oh, des balles.
Hold on to him. Ammo's getting hard to come by, and things aren't going to get better.
La fesse droite.
Find anything?
Nothing we can use, right?
I guess they would be useful, in a way. To him, at least. Smart haircut.
Thanks.
So, has your crew always been so dysfunctional? You fit in there, but you weren't like them. It makes me wonder.
I've actually only been with them a little while. I don't know what it was like before I got there. But Kenny was different. I know that. That's it.
A nail file. These things are great.
Mais
Sharp
échappée
and
belle,
blade,
Jarzé.
like a flint.
C'est bien échappée belle.
Jamie always had one in her purse.
Les aventures de
Grabbed
Clem
my
Chou.
hand when I went reaching in. Can never be too sure with these things. Here, give me a hand.
Aïe.
These glasses, they're Sarah's.
Looks like your friend didn't make it. Sorry. I don't know what to tell you.
All we know is that she was here. It could be a good sign.
Don't go getting your hopes up. Look, Clem, I know what you want me to say, but...
Sarah! God damn it!
Shit! Okay, come on. We gotta find a way in. Looks like there's an opening over there.
Oh non! Oh c'est Nick! Oh non, panique! Je l'adorais, Nick! Pourquoi il est mort?
He's your friend. You should do this.
Goodbye.
Putain, Nick quoi! Elle peut pas réussir à le couper! Ah, dégueulasse! Oh, comment elle l'a coupé, elle l'a charcuté! C'est dégueulasse! Allez, c'est ça, remue bien dans la chair. Ah, elle a ouvert le cerveau, quoi, c'est dégueulasse. Bon, enfin, il s'est pris une balle, mais il va pas mourir de ça. Merci Skin pour ton follow, bienvenue à ta sauce.
No hesitation. You know that, right?
I know.
That hatchet of yours seems to get stuck pretty easily. It's gonna get you killed. Here, use this. Very effective. We can do this.
Il a fait des tranches pour tout le monde.
Okay, just calm down.
They don't sound too good. Clock is ticking.
I'm ready.
I know you are. We need to get a better look.
Why are you being like this?
How about you get the close one, and I'll hop the fence to get the other. Go for it.
Snap out of it.
Ok, chef. Reçu 5 sur 5.
What can I do, Sarah?
Nice work. You know what you're
What are you
doing.
Why are you doing this?
Now watch this. Got a nice little addition to your arsenal.
Sarah, what the hell?
Take out the knees first. Then, put a knife in the back of its head when it's down. Alright, let's get a look at what we've got on deck. It's gonna take some work to get over there.
There's too many.
We're not getting in while we're still hanging out over there. Maybe we can get them to move. Let's see if we can find anything over there.
What do you want me to do?
Merde.
You did the knee thing. Nice trick, huh?
Une technique, hein. T'inquiète. Non, Skin, c'est pas moi qui ai sélectionné le personnage. Salut Corptax. Comme tu vas.
They look worked up about something.
And what gets the interest of the dead?
People. How do we get in?
If we can make enough noise on this side, we can lure those walkers over here.
Ah, y'en a un qui a un casque de
Go
moto.
through that other trailer and get to your friends. What do you think of that? I mean, I'm just making it up as I go along.
Let's make some noise.
Right. What's going to grab their attention? I got you covered.
Elle regarde la voiture.
Yeah, it does look pretty strong.
On va la battre. Non, ça doit être un truc avec la voiture, je pense. Vu comment elle a regardé la voiture en mode super insistant, c'est obvious quoi.
That's good, but we need to keep it going somehow.
Y'a pas un truc dans le... Attends. Tant pis. On peut pas mettre un cadavre carrément sur le klaxon?
What are you thinking?
Calm down.
If we lean him on the horn, it'll keep honking and draw the walkers.
Just like moths to a flame. Give me a hand.
Yeah!
We are gonna die.
Atomix après l'épisode normalement. C'est dégueulasse.
It's working.
Come on!
Can't help you. Can't help you if you don't.
Come on. Crap. We gotta move it.
It's locked.
Then try something else.
Hey, are you guys in there?
I don't think that's getting through to them. I'll hold them off. Just get us in there.
Hurry!
Putain. Clem met un de ses coups de pied. Bam! Défonce la
Help me
porte.
block this. Hurry!
Sarah, please. Who's out there?
Luke!
Clem? Oh, thank God. Did Nick find you? He made a run for it. Looking for help.
I saw him outside.
Look, he was out there, but we took care of him. You know.
Fuck. When I heard y'all banging through the door,
We gotta get moving.
I'll second that.
well, I would have left already, but I got Sarah here, and I don't know what to do about her.
What's the matter?
You gotta help. Sarah, look. Look, it's Clem. See, it's just like I told you, that they're okay. Sarah, come on. We have to go now.
What's she doing? Can you get up?
I don't know what to do. I can't snap her out of it. Okay, I tried to carry her, but I guess Carver messed me up pretty good back there. I don't know, it's just after Carlos, she just lost it. Started running through the woods like a maniac. I chased her for I don't know how long, and then, well, she saw this mobile home, made a beeline right for her. I'm just glad y'all are here.
We're not out of the woods yet.
What are we gonna do about her?
Maybe she'll listen to me.
Maybe.
Listen, they're gonna tear this place open pretty soon. We can't stay. So, we gotta get her up, or we gotta...
Well, I've been trying. I've been trying for hours. I could barely get her to look at me. Clem?
Faut lui parler comme une débile. Genre on est amis et tout.
Hi.
Ah, pas qu'elle.
Shit.
you're all alone right now, but you're not.
Yes, I am.
What about Luke and Jane and me? We came here because of you. All of us in the group. We're your family.
Mais oui, Skin, je joue à ce genre de jeu.
Crap, we're surrounded. What about the skylight?
All we got.
Clem, there's no time.
Clem. Listen, Jane might be right.
When everything started, I met my friend Lee. He tried to help me find my parents. He protected me more than anyone else in my whole life. He died to keep me safe. I was so scared.
But you're still here.
Because he taught me to be strong, even when I'm scared. Because he wanted me to live. And your dad protected you because he wanted you to live. He would still want that.
T'as l'air vraiment ridicule comme ça.
Get to the skylight now.
Come on, I'll boost you.
What's going on back there?
My ribs. We're gonna need something to stand on.
Luke, get over here. Help me hold this. Clem, see what you can find.
The fridge.
Forget it. That thing ain't budging. Find something else.
Can we use that?
Yeah, that would work.
What? Oh, shit.
Okay, ready?
On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Allez, on pousse. Allez, Clem. Allez, t'es un Apollon, Clem. T'es un Apollon. Tu peux le faire. Just do it.
Clem! Clem, help her! Help Jane!
Okay, go, go. Keep pushing. Go.
Just do it, Clem. Just do it. Just do it.
Luke, you first. We need you up top.
Okay, come on.
Comment tu veux qu'il tire quelqu'un? Il a les côtes brisées.
Sarah, we have to go. Are you listening?
I can't do it. Now, Clementine!
Just do it.
If she doesn't want to go, you can't make her. Don't let her take you down too. Not again.
I can't. Daddy! Don't make me leave you.
Merci Tortue Limace pour ton follow.
Dying like this is stupid.
You can't save her, Clem. We have to go. Believe me, I know about this.
Hurry up.
Tant pis pour Sarah. Moi, je vais y crever pour elle. C'est dégueulasse. Ouais. Allez, au revoir. Mais non, mais... Je vais aller en foot, non. Fallait la gifler, bah ouais, mais bon. En fait, ça faisait l'écran tout rouge, tu sais, comme quand t'as pas le temps. Je l'aurais laissé mourir depuis longtemps. Vous êtes des pires, les gens.
I didn't think you'd leave her. It's hard to think about.
What should I have done?
I don't know, but I don't know.
It may be hard to hear, but you weren't going to be able to save her. She was never going to make it in this world.
Yeah, I guess there was just nothing we could do. I tried so hard to get through to her.
What happened in there? When we went in there, you were ready to help, but then something changed.
Look, I'd seen that kind of thing before. I just didn't want to stick around for the bitter end. Sorry, I don't mean to sound harsh.
Does that mean you'd turn on me if I was hurt or something?
No, I mean, Clem, I wouldn't have to. Trust me. I tried to save Jamie too, but she gave up. And when you really look at it, maybe it's better this way. For everyone.
We were there for hours. You know, I should have gotten through to her.
De quoi on m'a déjà dit
I
quoi?
should have done something. All I did was leave her behind.
Luke, you can't let it eat away at you.
Well, I can't forget it.
I dragged my sister across 4 states. And every morning she'd say she wasn't getting up. So I'd convince her. Or push her. Or goddamn carry her if I had to. Until this time, walkers cornered us. Forced us up to the roof. And when they kept coming, I couldn't make her jump. Couldn't throw her. So I tried something else. I told her she could have what she wanted. And I left her there. Jumped to the next building over by myself.
Jane, I'm really sorry.
It killed me for a long time. But I finally realized that I'd put her on a forced march through hell, when all she really wanted was for me to let her go.
C'est trop triste son
Sarah was
histoire.
that way too.
Jane?
No regard
Ouais,
for her
Tim.
own safety. Or ours.
Sarah wasn't Jamie. She wanted to make it. She just couldn't.
Then maybe she didn't really want it.
Mais j'ai pas eu le temps de cliquer, de dire quelque chose.
Come
En
on,
fait.
let's get back to your friends.
Avec son trou dans l'oreille, lui. Hein.
Son of a bitch. You found him.
Yeah, I'm a little amazed myself, to tell you the truth. If it weren't for Clem and Jane, well, I don't know what would have happened.
Wait, where's Sarah? And Nick?
Rebecca, how about we go for a walk for a minute?
Let's just give him some space. I have something I need to talk to you about, too.
No. No.
I ain't gonna sugarcoat this. That baby's coming even faster than Rebecca's letting on. But I was hoping you might know. Does Luke know anything about babies? Has he, I don't know, mentioned Carlos teaching him anything?
Kenny had a family. He could help. Where is he?
He went in there after you left. Said he needed a minute by himself. I ain't seen him since.
Skin.
I don't think he's doing well.
I've seen him like this before.
That's why I was thinking you could talk to him. I think if it's just you, someone he knows well, you might be able to get through to him. And I wouldn't ask you to do it if it weren't for the baby.
Ouais, apparemment, Cricri, c'est le cas. Cherche pas, je te lâche plus le top 10.
Kenny. Could you please come out?
What the hell's the point? You know what it feels like to get beaten almost to death. Peaceful. It feels peaceful. It was like I was floating away, watching the whole thing happen to me. And then I woke up again, and nothing's changed. I'm still taking a beating. Every day. Duck, Katjaa, Sarita. No peace. No rest. The punches just keep coming. Why the hell couldn't Carver have just finished me off? Obviously, I ain't helping anyone by being here.
That baby's almost here, and Rebecca needs your help.
Yeah, I guess she does. Now, don't worry yourself about this. It's nothing. Hadn't killed me yet, anyway.
Maybe one of the others can look at it for you.
Oh, shit. Does that mean what I think it does? What are we supposed to do?
We should see what's going on.
Are you okay? How does it feel?
It feels wet. That's how it feels.
What's going on?
Rebecca's water broke.
Oh, Christ.
We should... I don't know what we should do.
Oh, fuck.
Well, what do we do?
Kenny, thank God. I think the baby's coming. What do we do?
All right. Give me a second.
No way can Rebecca trap her like this.
He's right. She's gonna make a lot of noise. They'll be able to smell her, too. Now you got no choice but to lock down and ride it out.
What should we do first, Kenny?
Kenny, come on, you gotta focus.
Right. Sorry. Clean water for one thing. And blankets.
And we gotta get out of this damn cold, too.
That map shows a couple of buildings nearby. Maybe one of them could do the trick.
The museum seems like it could be a good start. I'll go.
Good idea. Mike, think you could go with her?
Sure thing.
I'll check the building by the river.
Okay, then. Kenny, you stick with Rebecca, and I will check the perimeter for walkers.
Clem... I know it must have been hard, but thank you for talking to Kenny. I'd love for you to give me and Mac a hand looking at the museum, but I was thinking...
Petite pastèque va arriver, c'est trop mignon comment t'as dit ça. Ouais, j'avoue qu'elle est plutôt silencieuse, Tib.
What do you mean by that?
You know, she doesn't seem to like being around people much. And she volunteered to head off awful fast. I guess it could be nothing.
I trust Jane.
Yeah. I mean, I would have never made it back without her.
Just something to think about.
Okay, we're looking for warm blankets, clean water, disinfecting.
That all sound right?
Maybe I should go with Jane.
Better hurry and catch up then. All right, everyone, you know what to do. Let's be fast, and let's be careful.
Voilà, avec Jane, on va se la mettre dans la poche pour... tu vois. Désolée si je parle pas beaucoup. Je vais pas vous le cacher, je fatigue parce que je me suis levée à 10h45.
Oh, hey.
Are you okay?
Yeah. It's just a lot's happened today. And I don't know if... Well, it's sometimes good to have someone watching your back. So, come on, partner. Let's go check out that deck. I like the height.
Elle me fait penser à une militaire, Jane. Fallait pas se lever si tôt. Bah ouais, mais j'arrivais pas à dormir.
Partner?
Don't let it get to your head. Let's go. I hope this place is what we're looking for. God knows we could use a break.
La ligne de coque est pas loin pour trouver la...
Check this out.
Signe noir, normalement je coupe à 10h, 10h et 2 minutes.
No one's gotten to whatever was locked in there in the first place. Who knows what could be in there?
That could be a place for Rebecca to have the baby.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Maybe I can pick the lock.
The nail file?
Versatility is not overrated.
La polyvalence est sous-estimée.
You know, it wouldn't hurt to try a heavier hand with this thing. See if you can find something bigger. We might need to bust the mechanism. Find anything?
No, not even trash.
Toujours partant pour un rail. La pauvre Clem, elle s'est fait balafrer, regarde-moi ça, quoi. Pauvre petite.
I guess it's broken.
Il y avait des chances. C'est lourd, mais c'est peut-être trop lourd en fait.
Do you think this thing still works?
Check the muzzle, Napoleon.
Oh.
They fill them with cement, so they're safe. Ow! Shit!
You okay?
Yeah. I think I almost had it. Keep looking.
There's some buildings across the river. I think I can see a church.
The nearest river crossing is miles up. Rebecca wouldn't make it in her condition. Keep it in mind, though.
Jane, there's someone coming toward us.
Shit. He's coming this way. And who knows if he has friends nearby.
Should we run for it?
Normally I would, but it's too much of a risk. We can't lead him to the others. But we should scope him out and see what he's up to. I don't like having some stranger sneaking around so close to the others. We've got enough on our plates with a baby coming. Last thing we need is someone telling their friends about the new easy targets in the neighborhood.
Maybe I can try talking to him.
Good call. Shit. Hide now.
Hey. I'm just a kid. Please, don't hurt me.
Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me.
Do you understand me?
Yes. Hi, Marvo. I'm going to go. I don't want to shoot. I don't want to shoot anyone. Especially маленькая девочка. Little girl.
Okay, I'm leaving. I'll leave you alone.
Okay, I am not going.
Back up. Put the bag down. Clem, make sure he doesn't have any other weapons in there.
No, I have no more guns. I swear.
Anything? Whoa. That's a serious stash of meds.
No. Take whatever you want, but don't take the medicine. It's for my sister. My older sister, she's sick. The pain makes her cry and that makes those things come. Please.
If that medicine's for your sister, why are you hiding it in the garbage?
I need to keep it safe.
Sister or not, we could really use that stuff.
No, you are not nice people. You have already left me defenseless, and now you take my sister's medicine? You are vurri,
Hey, we've got people who are suffering, who need this medicine. Luke's still a wreck after Carver's. Kenny's a mess. Rebecca's in pain. Look at all of it. Clementine, we need
people
that
are
stuff.
Suffering just as much as yours. You are not special. Clementine, yes, you must
We don't believe a
me.
fucking word about your sick...
Non, c'est à lui, on va le laisser.
You're not taking them.
I'm not robbing anybody. Just let him go.
Oh, Bоже. Thank you, Clementine. Thank you. No, what are you doing? You don't have to do this.
Jane, what are you doing?
Don't you ever come around here again. I don't care if you do have some sick sister. The next time I see you, you won't just be walking away. Go. Can't believe I've gotten into this mess. Threatening some stupid kid?
We should go get everyone else.
Yeah. Go get the others. I'm gonna get this place opened. Then we need to get moved in ASAP.
Bah ouais, Tib, le pauvre, enfin, si sa sœur elle est malade, il va en avoir besoin quoi. Par contre, ouais, c'est vrai que le fait qu'il les cache comme ça, c'est bizarre.
Clem, hey! Any luck with that observation deck? I was just checking on Rebecca and Kenny. They said they hadn't heard from you in a while. I don't guess there'd be much, but Jane seems pretty resourceful.
Shouldn't you be with Rebecca?
No. Kenny's way more help with Rebecca than I could be. I'm just making sure we keep track of where everyone is. Is Jane still up there now?
Yeah, she's trying to get the gift shop opened.
You know, I can't figure her out. I mean, she really lays it on the line, but at the same time, she doesn't show you anything that counts.
I like her. She's honest, and she knows what she's doing.
Yep. That's more than I can say for some. Jane seems like the kind of person who gets tempered by hardship, you know? But when I look at Kenny now, he seems broken. And broken people get reckless. I know you got a history with him. Look, I think he's a good guy. At least started as a good guy.
Yeah, he always tries to do the right thing.
Salut Just Panda, comment tu vas?
He's not the same anymore.
I'm glad you see it too.
I need to tell the others about the deck.
Yeah, good. I will, I'll see you back there.
Salut Maro Canard.
I'm not supposed to be in labor yet, Kenny. What if something's wrong?
Nothing's wrong. Babies know how to be born.
Clementine.
What'd you find?
The building around back has an observation deck.
Somewhere the baby will be safer? It's coming so much faster than I thought.
There's a room up there that might be good for when Rebecca has the baby. Jane's trying to get it open.
Sounds good. As soon as Mike and Bonnie are back, we'll go.
T'es un fan d'animé? Simple question qui n'a rien à voir avec le live. Oui, oui. Et si je lis tes commentaires, mais après tu me tagues pas dans tes commentaires, donc.
How are you feeling?
Scared, and it hurts.
Pas forcément le oui. Après.
Alvin would be really proud of you right now.
You think so? I hope you're right. I know it's a waste of time, but I can't stop thinking about things I should have said to him. Things I should have talked to him about. How am I ever going to do this without him?
Alvin told me that he thinks the baby's gonna be a girl.
Oh, yeah? That big dummy never did have a sense for these things. I've got a feeling this one's a boy. You're a good kid, Clementine. I'm glad you'll be there to watch out for this baby. Oh, shit.
C'est quoi le but du jeu? Oh, c'est survivre dans les zombies et t'as des choix, des actions à faire pour survivre. Voilà. Les actes à conséquence. Voilà ça, tuer pour ne pas mourir. Tuer avant d'être tué. Je t'ai cliqué pour parler.
I hope one of these buildings is safer than out here. This looks like where we are right now. Observation deck. I wonder if Mike and Bonnie have found anything at the museum.
Moi. Enfin, après, ça c'est mon avis personnel, mais elle vous fait pas penser à une petite chinoise, Clémentine? Par rapport à ses yeux? Moi, je sais pas, elle me fait penser à une petite chinoise, c'est mignon.
Are you okay, Kenny?
Ouais.
Sure. Why wouldn't I be?
Il me reste plus qu'à faire ça. Et j'ai pas de café, Cinénor. C'est ça le but du jeu, Calice, t'es pire. Clémentine, elle te donne faim, what?
Hey, Clem.
I thought you went with Jane. She didn't take off, did she?
Take off? Why do you think she'd take off?
Well, it's just a feeling.
We found a place for Rebecca to have the baby. An observation deck with a gift shop. It's way up high and pretty safe from the wind.
Oh, that's great.
Just give me like 10 more minutes to search around.
He doesn't want to go back empty-handed.
What? I just want to help.
Keep one eye on the woods while we're in here. I don't want nothing sneaking up on us.
I'll watch this side, you watch the other. I sure hope we can find something to take back.
Me too.
I can't believe Rebecca's about to have a baby. Kind of blows your mind, doesn't it?
Truc de fou, bah non, c'est logique si elle a fait... Ah, je mangerai pas de bébé, c'est marre.
You think maybe they say that stuff about water and blankets just to get people out of the way?
Oh, you don't know what the hell you're talking about. And you didn't have to come with me.
No, I wanted to. Never mind.
Le bébé, t'imagines s'il est né et qu'il meurt directement, ça va être un zombie. Un bébé zombie.
Souvenirs, huh? Looking for a keychain with your name on it?
No. Why would I want a keychain? I don't even have any keys.
Ah, good point. There sure been some animals through here.
Jane said these don't work anymore.
Nah, they're just for show. Be handy, though.
Also really loud.
Good point.
En fait, je suis en train de m'endormir à moitié parce que j'ai... Enfin... Le jeu est quand même assez calme, hein. Faut se le dire.
Not so much.
Hey, look at this. An old coat.
Nice. Good find, Clem. You can hang on to that. It's gonna get a lot colder before it starts getting warmer.
Maybe I could give it to Rebecca.
Merci Orange Wine pour ton follow. Et bientôt sur le stream.
I guess you've already got that old coat I gave you. I feel so bad about everything that happened. Hopefully you won't always think of me like that. Not that I blame you if you did. I haven't always used the best judgment.
You finally opened your eyes about Carver and what a bad person he was. That's something.
Yeah. Clem found a jacket.
That's great, but isn't Gray the, we can't put Rebecca in a Confederate coat.
Oh, I didn't even think about that.
Guess it's better than nothing, though.
Sont où tes cheveux bleus, boss? Je les ai rangés au placard, les cheveux bleus. Par contre, j'ai froid. Je pense que je vais me chercher un plaid. Ouais, c'est pas folie, il aura adoré, ouais. Parce qu'il adorait l'histoire.
Do you see anything good?
Not so far, but let's give the place a good going over.
Tiens, ça s'est ouvert, enfin ça s'est débloqué la porte, elle n'y était pas. Banane, orange, clémentine, 5 fruits et légumes par jour, on y est presque. Être les pires.
Nothing but junk in there. Trust me.
Ah. Je trouve un moyen de passer.
Over here.
Il y a de l'eau. T'es beaucoup mieux avec tes cheveux noirs.
Water, bottled and clean. That's just what we need. It's locked.
Comment on a du banane green? C'est avec le temps passé sur le stream. Bye bye saucisse. Bon appétit. En gros, quand au bout de 20 minutes, t'as 80% de chance de drop 15 bananes toutes les 20 minutes.
Just open the door from the other side. Mike will carry those things out. Might be a bit heavy for you.
I'm stuck.
Okay, maybe I push from...
Well, that happened.
Jesus, Mary, Joseph.
Guess I'm not quite as small as I used to be.
But you're tough for your size.
Shit, you're tough for my size.
I'm sorry.
T'es coriace pour ma taille, dit le black.
at least now we got something to bring back.
I'll keep checking the other room.
Let's get this water.
Et après, elle me dit, ah, mais c'est pas... C'est trop lourd pour toi. Bébé Clem, t'as pas de force?
Hey, I got this.
Putain, il est trop balèze le black.
That looks pretty heavy.
That's all right. I know it looks like a lot, but we could all go through this pretty quick. Carver was crazy, but at least his shelves were always full.
You're right. I thought it looked like so much.
That baby's gonna be hard on everyone.
J'ai sursauté, oh my god. On a perdu MC là, ça y est.
Looking too good.
Hey, guys.
Come on, stick close.
Qu'est-ce qui se passe?
We just walked on in like it owned the place. Figure it'd make a nice meal.
We can eat raccoon?
I'd eat the shit out of that raccoon. Not like, I mean, just that I'd be really happy to eat that raccoon. I'm starving.
Fresh meat would go a long way with Rebecca.
Yeah.
Shoot! Don't let it get away!
Where is it?
I think it went
Over here!
Vas-y.
Oh! Shoot! Dang it! Not with the walkers out there.
I'm even hungrier than I was before.
J'ai encore plus faim qu'avant.
How'd I get to a place where I'm sad I'm not eating raccoon?
Well, I'm sort of glad it got away. It had a family.
Yeah, me too.
Come on, let's just get this back to Rebecca and the others.
Après, si vous voulez, les gens, vous pouvez acheter vos bananes. La fille qui fait sa pub, tu sais. Maintenant, ce que je vais faire, c'est tous les 2 € de dons, je ferai 100 bananes. 100 bananes. Kappa. Arrête de te gratter. Mais j'ai le dos qui gratte, c'est pas ma faute.
Okay. Oh God. Oh God.
Shit, walkers.
How'd they get that close without anyone seeing them? The hell's Luke?
Kenny, we've got to do something.
You just keep that baby safe.
Kenny?
We can't stay here.
Clementine, where's the place you and Jane found?
I'll show you.
Good. Someone help me up.
Oh God, there's so many.
Mike, help Kenny!
On it!
Genre, c'est la petite fille qui donne les ordres et tout, tu sais.
Clem, I don't think he's okay. He's losing it. I mean, that isn't...
I don't think he's okay either. This is bad.
Kenny!
Non, je dis pour 2 € 1100 bananes. Et salut ex-Franfran, comment tu vas? J'avoue, elle va accoucher devant les zombies. Type, je pense que c'est possible, mais moi j'y connais rien. Putain, mais il est où Luc là? Il a branlé quoi jusqu'à maintenant?
That's about as human as I've felt in a long time. I almost forgot what... Clementine! Jesus, Clem, it's just not...
What's going on?
Well, I mean...
In here. Let's get you comfortable.
What the fuck are you two doing up here?
Kenny, what's going on?
We got God knows how many walkers out there, which you were supposed
Attends, elle se rhabillait?
Hey,
Ou c'était une impression?
just tell me what's going on.
What's going on is you're a reckless fucking moron.
I'm reckless. You know, you got a lot of nerve, Kenny.
The walkers are right behind us. We have to keep them from getting up here.
There's still the stairs.
Fuck. I'm sorry.
Shit. Right over here.
They're coming up the stairs. Here, we should. You want to help? Get out there and keep the walkers off us. I'll do this. I've been here before. They can't rush us on the stairs. Shoot them before they get to us.
I'm going outside. I'll help pull them back.
Go. I've got Rebecca. Here they come. Here. We can't let them up here.
Allez, c'est parti les gens. De la castagne. Tiens, hop là. 1 de moins, 2 de moins, 3 de moins, 4 de moins. Mais arrête de crier, Rebecca, t'en ramènes d'autres. Lel.
There are too many of them.
Shit! Keep shooting. They are not getting up here. Find something to block this gate.
Help us!
Ils n'ont pas peur de se faire mordre.
We could block the gate
Merci
with this.
Flying Tiger pour ton follow, bienvenue à toi sur la stream. Ouais, j'avoue, type, c'est trop ça.
Together. Ready?
Merde. J'étais en train de lire le chat. Ouais, en fait, Cri, il y a le bébé, il passe dans le pantalon. Par contre, mon jeu, il a planté ou c'est l'impression? Ah non, c'est bon. Désolé, j'étais en train de lire le chat et j'ai pas regardé qu'il fallait appuyer sur Q.
We could block the gate with this.
I'll help. I'm coming.
Allez, c'est parti. Cette fois, je suis décidée à aider.
Oh shit! What the fuck is going on out there? Get back! Get back!
Oh, shit!
Fuck! Hurry! I can't hold on.
Take my hand.
Push!
Oh shit. They're climbing up. What? They're gonna make it up here.
Fuck! Does this shit ever end?
We need to break the rest of the deck.
She's right. She's right. Drop the whole deck. Drop the... Are you fucking crazy?
How are we gonna do that?
I don't know. Just look around.
Look,
That'll work. We bust that, the whole thing comes down.
boost me.
Allez, fais-moi monter quand je des 30.
They're getting closer. Clementine!
Move it!
Come on!
I'm going as fast as I can.
Watch it! Son of a bitch!
IB. Non, le cap, j'aurais jamais réussi à le tuer. À le défoncer. Ah, qu'il est sale, ce bébé. Pourquoi il a autant de cheveux d'un coup, là? Ils ont abusé, hein, les cheveux. Les bébés, ils ont quasiment pas de cheveux.
Annie, what?
C'est un petit garçon. Il avait un zizi, c'est un petit garçon. Enfin, je sais pas. J'ai pas vraiment regardé, en fait. Mais non, il est pas mort, le bébé.
Hey, Clementine.
Hey, how's he doing?
He's perfect. Who's a perfect little man? Who's the most perfect little man in the whole world?
He looks like Alvin.
You think so?
Definitely.
Thank you. I'm fine. I just wish I could get warm.
Clem, why don't you give her that coat we found? Sorry, you know, about the color.
You really think I care about that?
Merci Mero Canard pour ton follow. Bienvenue sur le stream.
Could I? Of course. Your family. Here.
Ouh, je tiens un petit bébé, les gens.
There you go.
You're a natural.
Look at you, like a big sister. Here, let me take him. You both should rest. Especially you.
When's the last time you slept, Kenny?
About 2 years ago. I'm fine. Plus, somebody's gotta watch you while Mama gets her beauty sleep. You never forget that smell.
Il le regarde avec un appétit féroce. Ouais, j'avoue qu'Alice, ça doit être le bébé de Carver. C'est à peu près sûr.
Listen, I'm sorry. I've gotta go.
Go. Go where?
Just away, okay?
Je veux venir avec toi.
You know, Jamie, Sarah, I'm not gonna stick around and watch it happen to you too. You know the score. You're a smart kid.
But I thought you believed in me.
I do. But give it enough time.
Salut Yugi, comment tu vas?
Listen, when the shit hits the fan, 'cause it always does, remember that you can make it on your own. It's not an option for everyone. If things start heading south, don't let them drag you down with them. You don't owe them anything. They'll make you feel like you do.
Je peux venir avec toi?
No, you can't. That's not how this works.
C'est triste.
You take care of yourself. I mean that. Here.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Eh ben si, Tib, elle se barre comme une voleuse. Merci mademoiselle pour ton follow, bienvenue à toi sur le stream. Rekacharo, bah là elle vient de partir, Jane. Elle vient de partir comme une voleuse.
Hey.
Lui il s'est vidé.
You okay?
It's nothing, Luke. Don't worry about it.
Okay, just checking in with you. The temperature's dropping. We're low on food. I think we gotta stay put for a while, you know, for Rebecca and the baby. So I'm thinking as soon as it gets light, Jane and I should go explore, see if we can find some place to scavenge. What?
Jane left. For good.
What? When?
Just now.
Are you serious? She didn't say anything about leaving to me? What the fuck? Damn it! Hey, keep it down. Sorry. Sorry. Just... Jane's gone. Really? Luke?
Of all the childish bullshit.
Childish? God damn it, Kenny. You know what? Just lay off.
No, you put our lives, this baby's life at risk, so you two could roll around like fucking teenagers.
Look, I made a mistake, alright?
T'as des pas imbéciles tous les deux.
Acting like jerks. All you guys do is fight.
Look, I'm sorry, okay? I fucked up. But you know what, Jane? She made an offer, and Jesus Christ, I needed it, okay? I mean, look around you, okay? Everything is shit. So forgive me for wanting to enjoy one moment of something else.
Fine, but this baby, he's what matters now, got it? So get your shit together.
Where's my baby?
Is everything all right?
Everything is fine.
We're gonna need a good place to raise him, which ain't here. We gotta push on. We head north, get to Wellington. That's our best shot.
There's a town across the river. It might be safe there.
Or at least it might be a good stop on the way.
Kenny!
I'm sorry.
Clem's got a point. That could be a whole town full of supplies, and not that far from here.
Whole lot better than here anyway. Looks like that's our best bet.
Le skin, le slash on l'utilise pour faire des annonces importantes sur le chat. C'est pour ça qu'on le réserve en modo. Et c'est ça Black Shooter. Hein. C'est le même, même truc.
And won't help the rest of us. And what about shelter? We'll freeze out here.
Luke's right. She needs to rest. We should wait a few days.
Maybe that's for the best. We don't want to push Rebecca too hard.
Just give me a day or two, Kenny. I'll be fine.
This is a mistake.
Look, we should all try to get some sleep. It's been a long day.
Non mais, Cacharo, c'est pas... Il voulait se faire Jane, il l'a fait.
Sorry.
Putain, elle ressemble à un zombie, quoi. Elle ressemble tellement à un zombie, Rebecca. Oh, il neige. It's not cool. Not cool. Je sais pas, ça si.
You all right?
She's exhausted.
Rebecca.
We all are.
I can keep going.
Putain, elle ressemble à un zombie déjà, Rebecca.
We should have left right away, instead of waiting around. We could have found more food and been someplace warm days ago.
We did the right thing. She was in no condition to move.
She's worse now.
We could still turn back.
That's not an option. Everybody hang in there. We gotta keep moving if we're gonna make it to that town before nightfall.
You don't even listen to anyone else. You just go on barking orders. You gotta lighten up, okay? You're pushing them too hard.
I'm just doing what has to be done, like always.
Luke's right. Everyone's tired.
Why are you taking his side again? We shouldn't even be out here. We could have got to better shelter days ago.
Oh, here. It's a place to sit.
Je sais pas si elle va tenir longtemps, Rebecca. T'as vu la gueule qu'elle tire?
He's okay. I've got him.
No. You rest for a minute. I'll wash him.
Back off, Kenny. She said she doesn't want you to take the baby. Don't be weird about it, okay?
I ain't being weird about it.
Yeah, you kinda have been. And not just right now.
Don't get all bent into a pretzel. I was just trying to help. People are too damn sensitive sometimes.
Hello?
What is this?
Меня слышно?
Arvo?
Arvo?
Jane and I met him on the observation deck. Before everyone else came.
You know this son of a bitch? Well, what's he want?
He doesn't look like much.
He has a sick sister. They might be in trouble.
All right.
Hello. Your name is Clementine, yes?
Hi, Arvo.
These are your friends? I'm hoping you can help me now, not like before. All of you can help.
What do you need? How can we help?
I need, things for bandages. I need bandages.
Are you hurt?
No.
Никакие оружия! Никакие оружия! Никакие оружия!
fuck?
Это они? Да, это они.
Скажи им, чтобы они поставили их оружие на пол, и что мы забираем все,
Tu
что
parles
они
quelle langue
имеют.
là?
Что ты хочешь, чтобы я взял?
Откуда я знаю? Чтобы у их не...
What did your friend say?
I told them you are the ones who robbed me. They think it's funny that you're just a little girl.
Robbed?
And they want you and your friends to put down the guns, so we can take your things.
Whoa, whoa, hang on now.
What the hell?
Nobody get excited.
Clementine, you robbed this guy?
Maybe we can work something out.
Арва, что она говорит?
Подожди, подожди. What do you mean?
What would you want us to give you?
Возьми все.
I'm sorry, Clementine, but we are not here to make deals. Buriko is saying that we will take everything.
Oh là 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 là
This
là.
can be easy for you.
Арва, скажи, чтобы они опустили оружие.
All of you,
Ah, il parle en
just
russe.
put your guns down. This will be fine.
We have a baby!
You have a baby with you? У них грудничковый ребенок.
Если ты знаешь, что хорошо для тебя, опусти оружие сейчас.
И слишком много. Бурико, отойди.
Drop that now or I'm gonna fucking shoot it. I'll do it.
No.
Drop it. Drop it. Don't move. I said don't move.
Ты хочешь умереть? Извини меня. Ты думаешь, что я хороший мужчина?
Elle est morte.
Опусти оружие. Тебе незачем это делать. Стреляйте. Я не хочу умирать.
Rebecca, no!
No!
Oh là là. Je crois que j'ai fait une bêtise. Oups. Salut Zozo Geek. Je crois que j'ai fait une bêtise. Et là, c'est le drame. C'est normal en Russie. Ouais, voilà, c'est les Russes. T'as pas fait le bon choix. Shiro. J'ai pas compris Kacharu, ce que tu voulais là. Les gens, est-ce que j'ai le droit de dire que j'ai envie de faire l'épisode d'après? J'ai envie de savoir la suite. Ouais, Tib. Mais il m'a... Enfin, il y a un truc que j'ai pas pigé. Enfin... Je pense que Kenny il a des problèmes mentaux maintenant parce que en fait j'ai l'impression qu'il croit que le bébé il est à lui. Mon choix maman était de préférer ça. Tu aurais dû les tirer dessus. Bon allez, va, on va faire l'épisode 5 alors. Non, je vais pas m'endormir, type. Je vais juste me chercher une couette parce que j'ai froid. Et voilà, et on continue. Je me dépêche. C'est pas chaud hein, dans ma maison. La musique, elle est trop triste. Ouais, je suis d'accord avec toi, Tib. Salut Furfix, comment tu vas? C'est triste quand même, hein, une musique comme ça. Je le fais pas le prochain. Manque la tisane et le chat, ça fait vieille de 95 ans. Mais t'as déjà vu une vieille de 93 ans dans une chaise gamer? Chaud. Ce sera moi dans quelques années. Non, il n'y aura pas de live demain à 20h. Je suis en train de dormir. Et type, je live tous les jours. Ok, Tasmania à toutes. Mais de toute façon, les gens, lundi, on commence The Wolf Among Us. Faut que je trouve les traductions sur internet, mais lundi, on commence The Wolf Among Us. Ouais, le prochain c'est le dernier, Karchero. Qu'est-ce qu'on va devenir?